Hi guys, Mario Shiku here, and today I'll make an unboxing, a review and a comparison between them two. The first one, it is Andis Master Cordless Lithium Ion Clipper, the silver one. The second one, it is Andis Master Cordless Limited Gold Edition. For sure, that's the gold one. Let's have a look first to the box, because we need to see some more information about to open the box. Professional Master Cordless Lithium Ion Clipper. Lithium ion battery delivers over 90 minutes of runtime, charged in an hour. Powerful high-speed motor featuring constant speed technology, on drag and stealth. Chrome plate carbon steel clipper, blade adjust from 0 to 1. Cord and cordless 2, operation with premium charging stand, which it's here. You'll see on the box. Let's open the box now to see the clipper. So that's the silver one. Let's take this lid from here. It looks pretty nice in the silver, and of course you can feel the quality when you keep it in your hand, that's for sure. That's the Andis anyway, so it's become normal now actually for Andis products. That's the blade. It comes in open position, and it didn't have a system, the click system, which I like that. Now you just have to adjust like that. So now it's the closed position and now the open position, and you can adjust between as well, for sure. It's not easy on this one, I don't know why. Yeah. Now it's working perfect. So that's the closed position. And that's the open position now. And of course you can adjust between. That's the bottom, the back. But here it comes in the box already with this stand, which is absolutely amazing. I like this type of stand, so I'm happy with this. Looks professional, and it is. Let's have a look now. This is the charger, the charging cable actually. It comes with low adapters as well, and with this Andis oil to keep oiled your trimmer. That's the UK adapter, which I need, but we have loads here for Europe, for USA as well, so we have loads. That's the right one for me, the UK one. Now let's see the gold one. It comes already with few, actually there are 5 guards on this guard, so it's nice. Professional Master Cordless Lithium Ion Clipper Limited Gold Edition. Custom color gold corrosion resistant coating. Durable custom gold carbon steel blade. Powerful high-speed motor featuring constant speed technology on drag and store. High performance blade for precision sharpness adjusts from 0 to 1. Lithium ion battery delivers over 90 minutes of runtime. Charge in an hour. They are the same. Over 90 minutes and they charging in an hour. Cord and cordless 2 operation, which premium charging stand, which it is this one. You'll see on the box. Let's open the box. For the gold one, there's the premium one now. You can put here. But before to open the gold one now, I have to mention that all my products which I've already reviewed now or unboxing, actually all my products, clippers and trimmers and shavers, which I've already used on my barbershop, they are provided to me by Modish Cosmetics. So if you're looking to buy any of these products, even others, if you are a hairdresser, if you are a barber, if you own a barbershop or unisex salon, cosmetics too, just have a look to Modish Cosmetics. You'll find everything what you need in this shop. They are really nice. They're always happy to help you. That's why collaborating now together, because I like how it's helping me always. Thank you guys and take care. Now let's continue with the gold one. That's the clipper in gold. That's the beauty actually in this gold. There's the blade now. It comes in open position like the silver one. That's the closed position. That's the open position now. It's easy to adjust, so it's nice. But again, I prefer, just for myself, I prefer the click system, but this is nice too. It didn't have the click system, but actually you feel like when you adjust, you feel like you have some click, no? It's nice. That's the bottom as well. It comes with this stand, which is nice. Like this one, but no, this one is gold because the clipper is gold too. They're nice. I love this type of stand, like I've already mentioned that before. That's the Andis oil. Same, like this one. That's the charging cable with the charger. It comes already in the box, like I've already mentioned before, on the box here, with these Andis guards, premium guards, which they are nice. This paper orc, and loads of adapters. Europe, USA and England, the most important for me. UK actually, UK adapter. Now let's have a look to the gold one as well. I try to turn on for you guys too. So it's quiet, which I like. Let's turn on the silver one. No? It's the same. It has no battery, but it's the same for sure. Let's try now the Andis guard, which already coming inside the box. That's the open position, and now that's the close position. Open position, close position. It works well with that, but let's try now the wall guards, which I always use this. The wall guards. Let's see if they fit here. No, it didn't fit. So you can't use this one, the wall guards. Now let's see the Babyliss guards. Let's try that. No, it didn't fit as well. And this is the Gamma guards, the magnetic one. No, it didn't fit. So we have 3 different guards and it didn't work. It's all only with the Andis one. So you can't use others guards, just those, which already coming inside the box. Now let's turn on together, both together. They are the same. Even if you turn off the gold one, still the same as silver. Turn on now the gold one and turn off the silver one. They are the same. That was my review and unboxing, guys, for these 2 beauties. So now it's up to you which one you like. If it's about the the color, because that's the most important now, because they are the same anyway, just the color. And this have the plus because this comes already with these guards. So but let's see, for the gold one is the same problem. So hopefully you can make an idea more clearly now about them, about which one do you like more, or which one do you want to try to use on your barber shop. I like them both, so both are nice, even silver or gold. But now it's up to you which one do you like more. Thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like that. Take care, see you.